In the vast, silent desert of Qatar, carved into the rocks, are symbols that have intrigued and mystified researchers for decades. Mysterious markings left behind by ancient hands. Markings that remain unsolved to this day. Archaeologists have uncovered nearly 900 rock carvings scattered across this site. Identifying these carvings was just the beginning. Understanding why they were created and what they mean is an enigma that researchers are still grappling with. These carvings were likely made thousands of years ago. Some experts believe they date back to the Neolithic period, when people in this region were transitioning from nomadic lifestyles to more settled communities. Could these symbols reflect that change or something deeper? What makes these carvings truly fascinating is their abstract nature. Unlike the rock art found in other parts of the world, depicting animals, hunters, or scenes from daily life, these symbols don't resemble anything recognizable. Instead, they seem like a code, one we've yet to crack. In other parts of the world, like North America, rock art often tells a story. Scenes of hunting, rituals, or spiritual figures. But here in Qatar, these carvings break that pattern. They consist of strange geometric shapes, parallel lines, and configurations that don't fit into any known narrative. Some of the symbols include clusters of small holes, circles, and lines intersecting in ways that feel deliberate. What could they mean? Were they part of a spiritual ritual, a map of the stars, or a form of communication we've long forgotten? One of the prevailing theories is that these carvings could have been used for divination, a way to communicate with higher powers. The geometric shapes might have held sacred meaning, guiding spiritual leaders in interpreting the will of the gods, or even charting the movements of celestial bodies. Another theory suggests that the symbols could have evolved over time, starting from the Neolithic era and continuing into the early Islamic period. But the purpose behind these shapes, whether religious, astronomical, or entirely something else, remains a mystery. Despite the many studies conducted at the site, no one has been able to fully decipher the meaning of these carvings. With no written records or similar carvings elsewhere to compare, archaeologists are left to piece together fragmented clues from an ancient past. These abstract symbols are a powerful reminder of how much we still don't know about our ancestors. They offer a glimpse into a forgotten world, leaving us with more questions than answers. What stories were these people trying to tell us? And why are they lost to time? What do you think these symbols might represent? Share your theories in the comments below. And if you're fascinated by ancient mysteries, be sure to follow for more explorations into the unknown with Hidden Origins Explained.